Outgrowing or underusing your space signals it might be time to sell and move on. A strong seller's market boosts sale price, speed, and overall success of your listing.